Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to unlock your Ford Edge with a dead battery. First, find the small release button or switch on your key fob to reveal the hidden physical key. Once you have the key, insert it into the keyhole on the driver's side door. Give it a firm turn clockwise to manually unlock the door. This simple step gets you inside without needing any power. Now that you're inside, locate the hood release lever, usually found on the lower left side of the driver's dashboard. Pull it firmly to pop the hood slightly. Then, move to the front of your Ford Edge and find the secondary safety latch under the hood's edge. Push or pull this latch to fully open the hood, giving you access to the engine bay. With the hood open, you'll need to provide auxiliary power. Locate the remote positive terminal, often covered by a red cap, and connect the positive jumper cable. Then, attach the negative cable to a clean, unpainted metal part of the engine block or chassis. This creates a good ground connection, allowing power to flow to your vehicle's electrical system. After connecting the cables, wait about 5 to 10 minutes to allow some charge to transfer to your Ford Edge's battery. Then, try starting your vehicle as you normally would. Once the engine is running, carefully remove the jumper cables in the reverse order of connection. Negative first, then positive. You're now ready to drive and recharge your battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.